Okay, today we're going to be installing this Rennline ExactFit phone mount in this Mark V Volkswagen Golf. This is going to be a pretty simple install. We just need a couple tools. We're going to need a pry tool, so we're going to use our Schwaben pry tool set here. Probably go with tool number 11 for this job. And then we're going to need our Torx. This is a T20. We're going to have it on a ratchet and on a driver. Driver's not necessary, but it speeds things up. Okay, so the first step, we're going to pry this cover off up here. All right, once we have that off, there's 3 screws in here. One's in the back, and then there's going to be 2 more below. So we'll get that back one out first. Okay, so once those screws are out, we'll just grab it from the back, pull it forward, up and out. And then we're gonna pull out the top half of this console assembly. There we go. So that exposes 2 of the screws that we need to get to. We'll undo those first. Put those aside. And we'll grab our pry tool. Just gonna snake it in here. Okay, and we'll pop that off for now. So now we can see the 2 screws that we need to get to for our phone mount. This is basically just going to install just like this, or you can put it on this side if you prefer. Okay, for the next step, we're just going to take our pry tool. We're going to slide it right down between the dash here and this mounting clip. And then we're going to take our Rennline mount and slide it down the opposite side of the Schwaben pry tool. So the important part again is that our Rennline mount is between the dash and this mounting clip here. Otherwise, you won't be able to press the Rennline mount down to where it needs to go. Okay, we'll line it up, reinstall our screws. Before it's tight, we just want to make sure that's pressed it all the way over. Okay, so we reinstalled the top part, basically the reverse of disassembly. We just reinstalled our 3 T20 Torx screws. So now we're fully assembled, and we're all set.